Hello kid. Well, if I tell you to draw your face, what would you draw? Well, you would draw your eyes, nose, mouth, cheeks, right? But what about a beautiful flower? It doesn't have eyes and nose like you, but it has got some great parts as well. So let's learn the parts and how to draw them. See, over here you can see this is a China rose flower. Now, if you cut it into two halves, you can see the different parts of the China rose flower. First, we have got these green-like structures. What are these known as? Well, this part of the flower is known as calyx. Next, we have got the most colorful part of any flower, which are its petals, and this part is known as corolla. After that, we have got two very important parts, that is the male reproductive part and the female reproductive part. So, over here we have got the male reproductive part. See, these are the male reproductive parts. And what are they known as? They are known as androecium. And finally, we have got the female reproductive part. And over here you can see these are the female reproductive part. And this is known as gynoecium. So, what are the different parts of a flower? First, we have got these green-like structures which are known as calyx. Next, we have got the colorful petals which are known as corolla. Then, we have got the male reproductive part which is known as androecium. And finally, we have got the female reproductive part, that is the gynoecium. So, let's learn how to draw the parts of a flower. First, you need to draw the base of a flower. And on this base will be the leaf-like structures, which is known as the calyx. After the calyx, we have got the colorful part, that is the colorful petals, and it is known as corolla. See, these are the colorful petals. After that, we will be drawing the female reproductive part. See, this is the female reproductive part. What is this known as? This is known as gynoecium. So, after this, we have got the male reproductive part. See, these are the male reproductive parts. Now, we have done the drawing. Let's start with the different parts. So, first we have these green leaf-like structures, which is known as calyx. Next, we have these colorful parts. What are they known as? They are known as corolla. After that, we have got the male reproductive part, which is known as the androecium. And finally, we have got the female reproductive part, which is known as gynoecium. So, this is how you can draw the different parts of a hibiscus or China rose flower, wherein the flower will have 4 parts: the calyx, the corolla, the androecium and the gynoecium. So now, my dear kid, I am sure you know how to draw the beautiful flower along with its parts.